Guys, this is my first time without a production crew, so cut me some slack here. Hello. Care Bear's back again. Guess who's back? Tell a friend. Hey everybody, Care Bear here. I am back for the first time in a long time. It's been a while. New location. I am here in the Care Bear Den. This is where all the magic happens. Getting beautiful, getting dressed, doing my makeup, storing all my stuff. So yeah, I am first time back in a while. My production crew moved away. I got a new office location. But I decided to kick off our site again because it was so much fun while we were doing it. So today we are going to be doing the Allure beauty box. I believe this is the September box. You can see it's just packaged in a boring box. Sometimes they do a fun red color. But you know what? With the Allure boxes, it really doesn't hurt my feelings too much that it's just a plain box. And they are nice and sturdy, and you know I like to say my box is a box is a box. So let's open her up and see what they've got for us. Yes. And of course I have my readers on, and I have not done makeup yet today in hopes that something fun will come out of this box for me to try out today. So in the booklet it says this is their Allure Beauty Award winner beauty box. I know Allure, I read it. They always have their best of, the editor's choice, and the reader's choice. So always fun to see that. I'm just taking a quick skim to see what we have coming forward in this box. And let's open her up. Again, they always fold it up in some nice paper. Makes it feel special when you're unboxing your goodies. So let's see what we got. All right, we have, I have a bunch of sample sizes of this, but this looks way more deluxe of the, I never know how to say her name, Laura Mercier, Ready, Set, Go. This is the powder. I have used this. It comes in a little mini size in some of the other boxes I've gotten, but this one, it looks substantially larger. I'd open it up, but I don't feel like breaking my nails. Actually, I have one of the small ones right here that I've been using. So yeah, it definitely looks like it'll be substantially larger than the one I have, which actually these small ones a little goes a long way with this product, excuse me. So I'm very excited about getting this because I know I'll use it. It's a great size. And it's actually a great item for these boxes because it's very universal, translucent, doesn't make my original makeup color go away. It just makes everything look finer. So loving that, not mad at that. Definitely a beauty winner to me. Ooh, Jess, I know you love this brand. Again, everyone can scold me on my pronunciations. Allure. So this is a brightening facial scrub. Sea kelp and French green clay for all skin types. Sometimes scrubs can be a little too abrasive, but I have heard that this one is very gentle and makes your skin feel incredibly smooth. I have not tried it, but I'm excited to give this one a try. So again, this is the Allure Brightening Facial Scrub. Excited to give that one a try. Let's see what other beauty winners we got here. Nature's Lab Tokyo. I have not heard of this brand. Perfect Smooth Shampoo, color protectant, sulfate free. Interesting that this is a beauty winner that I've not heard of. I bet this is an editor's choice. Because I'm guessing the mass market would not. Ooh, although it won last year as well. So it looks like we get the shampoo and conditioner. So I'll be excited to try that. And it says here people are loving the scent. They love the warm citrusy smell. So obviously, what girl doesn't love a good scent? Oh, it is. It's warm, and I would say warm and citrusy, but very gentle. Not, you know, like you're going to clean your house with citrus. So not mad at that either. What else do we have here? Another pronunciation one for me. La Roche-Posay. doing a lot of fake French today. La Roche-Posay Laboratories Eczema Soothing Relief Cream. Again, another one I have not tried, and they're saying Beauty Award winner. What do they have to say about this? Intensely hydrating without being too heavy. Also makes for a great hand cream. I find I do that too. Like if I take out too much product for my face product, I always rub it on the back of my hands to try and keep everything looking youthful. And then also, of course, as we all do, down our neck. Another spot I like to take my excess, especially with the lay-on masks, the sheet masks, is use the extra product under my arms. I have stretch marks, and I feel like adding that extra moisture under your arms really makes a great impact in the quality of your skin under your arms. So just a little tip from Care Bear. So again, I can never go wrong with a moisturizer, especially at my age. So that is a good item. And last but not least, oh golly, Jess, my former producer Jess, will know what my oh golly was for. Another highlighter. So this is called the Ciate London Dewy Stick Luminous Highlighting Balm. So it's in stick form. Now the only reason I'm mad at this is because every beauty box, doesn't matter who, Birch, Sephora, Ipsy, this Allure, all of them, they cannot go a month without giving you a illuminating product of some sort, which is great. I love them, but a person uses so little that I've never even barely scratched the surface of using one. For me, the only place